Okay, so back in the testing room again, and back to the freezer, and you'll see is we've actually reduced that down to -20 Celsius now. So we're down at -20 degrees Celsius, so somebody will have to calculate that out in Fahrenheit. And it's been in here for, it's now been in here for 4 hours at -20. So I'll look inside here. There we go. It's a different gun, and it's just come straight out of production. So we will go through to the firing range again. First of all, we'll switch it on. Let's see, power's up there, and you can see it's quite another level in frostiness from last time. We'll see just how iced up we're getting here. Okay, so chrono firing range again. So we'll just chrono on. I'm going to use these green balls as what chrono did last time, so we'll do the same again. Just quite hard doing all this one-handed. Pressed up, and we just stick that in there. The paintballs into the breech. 2 paintballs in the breech, and chrono's on. Gun on the chrono. There's the readings. So we'll get 294, 295. That's the first 2 shots fired, and that's a Eclipse Gtek on firing range. Been frozen for 4 hours at -20 Celsius. So another step down from last time. Cheers, guys.